South Asia is the southern region of Asia, which is defined in both geographical and ethno-cultural terms. The region consists of the countries of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, the Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Topographically, it is dominated by the Indian Plate and defined largely by the Indian Ocean on the south, and the Himalayas, Karakoram, and Pamir Mountains on the north. The Amu Darya, which rises north of the Hindu Kush, forms part of the northwestern border. On land, South Asia is bounded by Western Asia, Central Asia, East Asia, and Southeast Asia. The South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation is an economic cooperation organization in the region which was established in 1985 and includes all 8 nations comprising South Asia. South Asia covers about 5.2 million square kilometers, which is 11.71% of the Asian continent or 3.5% of the world's land surface area. The population of South Asia is about 1.891 billion, or about one-fourth of the world's population, making it both the most populous and the most densely populated geographical region in the world. Overall, it accounts for about 39.49% of Asia's population, over 24% of the world's population, and is home to a vast array of people. In 2010, South Asia had the world's largest populations of Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Jains and Zoroastrians. South Asia alone accounts for 98.47% of Hindus, 90.5% of Sikhs, and 31% of Muslims worldwide, as well as 35 million Christians and 25 million Buddhists. Modern definitions of South Asia are consistent in including Afghanistan, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan and Maldives as the constituent countries. Afghanistan is, however, considered by some to be a part of Central Asia, Western Asia, or the Middle East after the Second Anglo-Afghan War. It was a British protectorate until 1919. On the other hand, Myanmar, administered as part of the British Raj between 1886 and 1937 and now largely considered a part of Southeast Asia as a member state of ASEAN, is also sometimes included. But the Aden Colony, British Somaliland and Singapore, though administered at various times under the British Raj, have never been proposed as any part of South Asia. The region may also include the disputed territory of Aksai Chin, which was part of the British Indian princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, now administered as part of the Chinese autonomous region of Xinjiang but also claimed by India. However, the total area of South Asia and its geographical extent is not clear-cut, as systemic and foreign policy orientations of its constituents are quite asymmetrical. Beyond the core territories of the British Raj or the British Indian Empire, there is a high degree of variation as to which other countries are included in South Asia. The confusion existed also because of the lack of a clear boundary geographically, geopolitical, socio-culturally, economically or historically between South Asia and other parts of Asia, especially the Middle East and Southeast Asia. The common definition of South Asia is largely inherited from the administrative boundaries of the British Raj, with several exceptions. The current territories of Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan, which were the core territories of the British Empire from 1857 to 1947, also form the core territories of South Asia. The mountain countries of Nepal and Bhutan, 2 independent countries that were not part of the British Raj, and the island countries of Sri Lanka and Maldives are generally included by various definitions based on substantially different reasons. The British Indian Ocean Territory and the Tibet Autonomous Region are included as well. The 562 princely states that were protected by but not directly ruled by the British Raj became administrative parts of South Asia upon joining India or Pakistan. The South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, a contiguous bloc of countries, started in 1985 with 7 countries: Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, and admitted Afghanistan as an 8th member in 2007. China and Myanmar have also applied for the status of full members of SAARC. The South Asia Free Trade Agreement admitted Afghanistan in 2011. The World Bank and United Nations Children's Fund recognizes the 8 SAARC countries as South Asia. The Hirschman-Herfindahl Index of the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific for the region excludes Afghanistan from South Asia. Population Information Network excludes Maldives, which is included as a member Pacific POPIN. Subregional Network. The United Nations Statistics Division scheme of subregions, for statistical purpose, includes Iran along with all 8 members of the SAARC as part of Southern Asia. The boundaries of South Asia vary based on how the region is defined. South Asia's northern, eastern, and western boundaries vary based on definitions used, while the Indian Ocean is the southern periphery.